Sir, Gran Pulet from Bombo Radio. Sir, the NBI po is conducting investigation about this 2019 SEA Games possible irregularities. Sir, sa ombudsman na-dismiss yung complaints versus Secretary Vince Dizon. Is there any possibility na sisilipin po muli ng ombudsman?
That's a very good question because just this morning I asked my staff to get the whole file from 2021 to see and to look at the possible violations of law. We're opening it up again. Bubuksan namin yan.
Sir, isa po sa mga nagsilbing chairman dito si Senator Alan Cayetano. Ipapatawag po ba natin siya for statement?
There's a time for everything. Basta pag-aaralan muna namin yung ginawa ng office natin noong 2021 kasi walang double jeopardy yan. Wala naman na charge nun eh. So, titignan namin.